Welcome to the instructional video on the front assembly for our classic tiny trike, Model 320. The tools required are a Phillips head screwdriver and a wrench. The first step is to connect the upper bracket to the wooden arm. Then, use the 2 screws and screw it in. You will know if the bracket is inserted the right way if the rim of the bracket aligns nicely with the wooden rim. Then connect the lower bracket to the wooden base by screwing in the 2 screws using the Phillips head screwdriver. You will know that the bracket is inserted the right way if the rim of the bracket aligns nicely with the wooden rim. Now slide a washer onto the lower and the upper bracket before connecting the 2 between the main body. The lower bracket should engage in the slots of the upper bracket. The metal pin of the body should also engage in the slot of the lower bracket. Once the brackets are engaged, secure the front assembly by connecting the axle onto the lower wooden panel. From here and on a washer, and tighten the nut using a wrench. Thank you for watching the tutorial for the front assembly on our classic tiny trike Model 320. For any other questions, please contact our customer service team.